Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair this luggage companion with iPhone. And to do this, first we'll need to open and unlock our iPhone, like so, and then open Find My app. I have it right here, and then move to Devices, click on this plus button and select Add Other Item. Not the AirTag, other item like this. Now we can take our tag and click on this button once. It should make this sound, and now place it as close as it is to your iPhone, preferably behind it, and wait till it's found. If this doesn't work, we'll need to press on this button again or hold it for a few seconds. And now it should be found just like this. We can click on connect, enter the name for this tag, click on continue, then add emoji to identify it, click on agree, and it should start finishing the setup. Okay, and setup is finished, and here we can start customizing our settings and checking out all of the features. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.